Martin Luther King. His achievements: Nobel Peace Prize in 1964, Time Magazine's Man of the Year in 1963, Spingarn Medal in 1957, John F. Kennedy Award in 1964, John Dewey Award in 1964, Marcus Garvey Prize for Human Rights in 1968, Presidential Medal for Freedom in 1977, Congressional Gold Medal in 2003. How did he show leadership? Martin Luther King Jr. demonstrated exceptional leadership through his unwavering commitment to nonviolent resistance and his ability to inspire others to join the civil rights movement. He drew inspiration from his Christian faith and the peaceful teachings of Mahatma Gandhi, using the power of words and acts of nonviolent resistance to achieve seemingly impossible goals. King's leadership extended beyond these specific events, as he continued to advocate for poverty reduction and international conflict resolution while maintaining his commitment to nonviolence. His legacy has endured, inspiring generations to work towards racial equality and social justice. Martin Luther King advocated for racial equality and social justice through nonviolent means. He drew inspiration from his Christian faith and the peaceful teachings of Mahatma Gandhi to lead the civil rights movement in the United States from the mid-1950s until his assassination in 1968. This includes racial equality, nonviolent resistance, economic justice, and voting rights. I have a dream that this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold this truth to be self-evident that all men are created equal. I have a dream that my four children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. Let freedom ring from every hill and molehill of Mississippi and every mountainside. When we allow freedom to ring, we will let it ring from every tenement and every hamlet, from every state and every city. We will be able to speed up the day when all God's children, black men and white men, Jews and Gentiles, Protestants and Catholics, will be able to join hands and sing in the words of the old Negro spiritual. Free at last, free at last. Thank God Almighty, we are free at last.